Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza from professionaltutorial.com, and today I am going to show you that how you can make your window in After Effects. If you want to watch that in full screen preview, then how you are going to do that. For example, I have now these animation, and I'm going to just see that it is in in the window preview. I want to see that in full screen preview mode. Then what should I will do? I will just press the tilde button, and I don't know that how the name we are going to pronounce, but I will also show you the button in the screen of that one, and you will see that. Now if I'm going to press the tilde button, then you will see that now that preview window has been just I have just made that full screen. And now if I'm going to press the the space button, then you will see that the animation is now playing. And if I'm going to make that one once again from the first, and I'm going to press the tilde button, and I'm going to press the space, and you are going to see that now the animation is just moving. And that will work on all your windows in After Effects. If I'm going to, for example, I want to see the control buttons in full mode, then I will press the tilde. And if I want to see the timeline, then I will see something like this one. And after just getting the default preview option, then you have to once again just press tilde button, then you will get the default option. Now hope you got the idea that how you are going to make your After Effects in full screen preview, and that is what we have in this tutorial. Just if you like that video, thumbs up, share with your friends. If you have not subscribed here, subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon for more amazing upcoming videos. Thank you everyone, bye bye.